you go to Window. All the windows that you need are already in Revit. So you just go to Edit Type and you load. And so then you go to your family library, which is your metric library, Windows, and then you just look for the window that it is. And we'll open that up. So we'll load it, okay, and then we'll place it here. And then what we need to do is just measure what the window width needs to be using the line tool. So it's 3.5 meters. So we just edit this by duplicating to create a new one. 3.5 meters. Right now we'll just leave the height as it is. Adjust the width to 3.5. And there we go. And I would always flip it so the frame, the seal is on the inside and then the window's just on the edge of the wall. We have this window here already. Right, let's see what the width should really be. So right now we've just been working in 2D, so we don't actually know what we're creating. So that's 3.5 as well. Edit, duplicate, 3.5, okay. Okay, and there we go. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial. I hope it's been helpful.